Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can make change the language on your Roku streaming stick plus device. Okay, as you can see on the screen, now I already changed it to another language, and if you want to change it back to English, first of all, when you first time seeing all the application here, and you just press down 1 2 until you can see this underline, and then press the right button and go all the way down until you can see this underline once again. Just press the right button, and now you can see the big logo here. Just go down 1 2 3 until you can see this logo. It's just like the people speaking, and select on it, and now you will see the English language is here, and select English, and this time you now change it back to the English language. Just wait a moment for the TV to change. Okay, now it's get back to hello, and you just press 1 and everything change back to English. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can make change the language on your Roku streaming device. And thanks for your time watching this short video. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.